Hi guys, this is just Kash and today I'm going to be talking about Freshers' Fair. So a lot of people will be starting the uni this month and you might have your Freshers' Fair online or it might be blended. But today I'm going to show you how it used to be in 2019 BC. If you don't know, I've been in London for 1 year and my uni started last September. I'm here for my masters in advertising, branding and communications, and if you want to know more about uni life, student life, accommodation, subscribe and make sure to ring that notification bell on. Usually there are a lot of sponsors at such fairs, so you can get a lot of stuff for free. Well, actually not for free, you're giving them your data, but I think it's a fair deal. You can unsubscribe anytime. You will also be introduced to a variety of clubs and committees which you can join, make friends, explore your hobbies. They usually cost a minimal fee around £3 to £5. They also have a lot of trial sessions, so you can go and enjoy maybe a pole dancing class or maybe football. Speaking about free stuff, I got Amazon Prime for 6 months for free, and even after that it was around £350 per month, which is half the price of what people usually pay. Using your student ID, you can get a lot of discounts. You also get a lot of free pens and pencils, so you don't have to carry it from India or wherever you're coming from. A lot of free food as well. I got free Domino's, free Pepsi. I was pretending to taste and find the difference, but I didn't find any difference. Thumbs up is the best. I also got coupons, juices, soda. Apart from that, you get to meet a lot of people, students who are just like you, student representatives, and just enjoy. If you like this video and want more such videos, please subscribe, like, share, do whatever you want to. I also make travel vlogs all around London, branching out to UK. So if you want to be updated on that, you can follow me on Instagram. It's at just Kash with 2 H. H and M.